Hi guys, Dan Cooper here from Pro Tools Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way of broadening the presentation of your backing vocal arrangements using the Waves S1 Stereo Imager plugin. Now, backing vocals often get a little bit lost in a mix, and they can be difficult to place as well. Sometimes just increasing the volume of backing vocals doesn't really do the job. Another way of sort of getting your vocals to sound good in a mix is by spreading them more into the edges of the mix. Now, in this mix, I've got 4 backing vocals bussed to a stereo aux track. Now, 2 of these vocals are pans hard left and right, but these kind of feel as though they need a little extra reach in the stereo-ness, if you know what I mean, to sit better in the mix. Now, a really easy way to achieve this is by use of this single control, width. Let's have a listen. Sounds okay. Now let's have a play with this width and increase it. You'll see this graphic in the middle, this triangle pushing outwards. Let's have a play. Before. For me, that's doing very little, but a lot at the same time, which is great. Obviously, we've got these controls down here for shifting that stereo image, but I never really play around with these, if I'm honest. It's all about the width control. Anyway, for more information on the Waves S1 Stereo Imager, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.